May sagot tayo sa tanong ni Sir. Based po sa CSC Resolution number 983142. It's about monetization of leave credits. Sige po, please watch the full video. Unang-una, ang tanong ni Sir is, kailan po pwede mag-file ng request for monetization of leave credits? Answer, based po sa CSC Resolution number 983142 po, Section 22, monetization of leave credits. Sir, pag may leave credits po tayo, pwede po tayo maka-monetize niyan minimum of 10 days and maximum of 30 days within the year po. Lahat ng government officials and employees po, whether permanent, temporary, casual, or coterminous, na may accumulated 15 days vacation leave credits, allowed po yan sila mag-monetize ng leave credits po. Ang gawin ninyo, sir, file kayo ng application yan, monetization of leave credits, subject for approval ni admin or HR or head ng agency. Kasi po ang basis din yan is availability of funds ni agency or ni office. In our case po, sir, sa office po namin, meron kaming, if I remember right, every first quarter of the year po, yung admin po namin may memo na pwede na po magpamonetize ng leave credits. So, ang gamitin lang po na application form is yung leave application. Ayan po. So, normally, January to March po yan, nagpamonetize kami. And, honestly po, ako yung isa dyan sa nag-a-apply ng monetization of leave credits. Minimum of 10 days po yung gina-monetize. Ayan po. Section 23, monetization of 50% vacation or sick leave. Yes, sir. Lahat ng leave credits ninyo divided by 2 or 50%, pwede po yan ipamonetize. Basta po meron kayong valid reason or justifiable reason, then subject for approval ng head of office and availability of funds. Diyan nakalagay din yan sa CSC Resolution number 983142, Section 23. Yan po ang basis natin, sir, sa monetization of leave credits. Hope na nasagot ko yung question nyo po. Keep watching my channel. Kasi lahat ng mga good questions ng ating viewers, bigyan natin ng pansin at sagot sa channel natin. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.